Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into a powerful combination, AI and Excel, specifically tailored for humanitarian work. This step-by-step guide will show you how to leverage AI within Excel to enhance your efforts and make a real difference. We'll explore practical applications that can streamline your workflows and improve decision-making. Here's a quick overview of what we'll cover today. We'll start with an introduction to AI and Excel, then move on to setting up Excel for AI integration. Next, we'll explore how to apply AI for data analysis in humanitarian work, followed by advanced AI techniques. Finally, we'll look at real-world case studies and practical examples. Let's begin with the basics. This section will provide a foundational understanding of what AI is and how it can be used within the familiar environment of Microsoft Excel. So, what exactly is artificial intelligence? At its core, AI involves creating computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes learning from data, reasoning, and even self-correction to improve over time. Think of it as giving Excel a brain boost. Why combine AI with Excel? The benefits are significant. You'll see enhanced data analysis capabilities, automation of repetitive tasks, and improved accuracy in your findings. This means you can gain deeper insights, save valuable time, and make more informed decisions. Now, let's get practical. This section will guide you through the process of setting up Excel to work with AI. We'll cover the necessary tools and add-ins you'll need to get started. To integrate AI, you'll need to install some essential tools and add-ins. We'll explore options like Microsoft Azure Machine Learning and Data Connector add-ins. These tools will allow Excel to communicate with external AI services and leverage their capabilities. Connecting to external AI services unlocks even greater potential. You'll gain access to enhanced data analysis, increased computational power, and sophisticated machine learning models. This allows you to tackle complex problems and extract deeper insights from your data. Before we can analyze data with AI, we need to prepare it properly. This involves data cleaning, handling missing values, and structuring your data effectively. Think of it as laying the groundwork for accurate and reliable results. Now the exciting part. This section focuses on applying AI for data analysis specifically within the context of humanitarian work. We'll explore how AI can help you address critical challenges. Identifying key humanitarian metrics is crucial. AI can help you analyze data to improve resource allocation, measure the impact of your programs, and assess the needs of beneficiaries more effectively. This leads to more targeted and impactful interventions. AI can also be used to forecast trends and anticipate future needs. By analyzing historical data, AI can help you predict community needs, allocate resources more efficiently, and respond proactively to emerging situations. This allows you to stay ahead of the curve and be better prepared. Data cleaning can be a time-consuming and tedious task. AI can automate this process, streamlining your workflow, reducing human errors, and freeing up your time for more strategic activities. This means you can focus on what matters most, helping people. Ready to take your AI skills to the next level? This section will introduce you to some advanced AI techniques that you can use within Excel. Excel provides tools for implementing basic machine learning models directly within your spreadsheets. By using these models, you can perform predictive analytics that enhance decision-making in your humanitarian projects, leading to more effective outcomes. Natural language processing, or NLP, can be a powerful tool for analyzing text data. By integrating NLP techniques into Excel, you can efficiently analyze text from surveys, reports, and other sources to extract valuable insights and understand the nuances of human experiences. AI can also help you optimize resource allocation. By analyzing vast data sets, AI can identify patterns and generate actionable insights that help you allocate resources effectively, ensuring maximum efficiency and impact in your humanitarian efforts. Let's look at some real-world examples. This section will showcase case studies of how AI has been successfully implemented in humanitarian work. AI is already making a significant impact in disaster response. From improving data analysis and decision-making to enhancing communication and coordination, AI-driven tools are streamlining processes and reducing response times, ultimately saving lives and minimizing suffering. AI is also transforming healthcare delivery. By streamlining processes, improving access to care, and enhancing the effectiveness of interventions, AI is helping to improve the health and well-being of vulnerable populations around the world. AI can also play a vital role in enhancing educational outreach. By analyzing data, improving program effectiveness, identifying education gaps, and enhancing resource allocation, AI can help to ensure that everyone has access to quality education. In conclusion, integrating AI into Excel offers tremendous potential for humanitarian organizations by streamlining processes, enhancing data-driven decision-making, and improving overall effectiveness. AI can help you to make a greater impact and create a better world. Thank you.